The realm of high-performance action cameras is a fiercely competitive battleground of innovation, and in 2025, the spotlight falls squarely on DJI, a company perched at the razor's edge between triumph and high stakes, poised for something big. That visceral mix of excitement and tension, where something feels simultaneously thrilling and precarious, is exactly the atmosphere surrounding DJI right now as it gears up to launch its next major offering, the rumored DJI Osmo Action 6. On paper, this forthcoming action camera promises monster-level specs, a 1-inch CMOS sensor elevating low-light and dynamic range performance, full 8K video capture, next-gen AI-powered stabilization, ultra-rugged durability, and even smartwatch integration that verges on science fiction. But hovering above all the tech excitement is a looming storm cloud, geopolitical and regulatory pressure that could change everything. In the US, the federal government is inching toward placing DJI on the Federal Communications Commission covered list, a move that would effectively freeze the sale of new wireless-enabled DJI devices in America, drones, gimbals, and yes, even action cameras. If the FCC vote scheduled for late October 2025 swings against DJI, the Osmo Action 6 could end up being the company's final major US launch under its own name. That alone injects a pulse of urgency and legend into what would usually be just another gadget drop. The official announcement is anticipated around October 2025, with pre-orders rumored to open the same day. DJI's launch strategy appears sharp and tactical. Get the camera into as many hands as possible before any regulatory doors slam shut. Shipping is projected to begin in late October or early November, hitting major platforms like DJI's official US website and online retail partners. But the timing isn't only strategic, it's almost combative. By pushing the rollout ahead of a potential regulatory blockade, DJI could flood the market and ensure thousands of units are already circulating, even if restrictions hit afterward. If that happens, the Osmo Action 6 won't just be another tech release. It could become a collector's piece, a slice of modern tech history tied to a pivotal political moment. But before we dive too far into the geopolitics, let's zoom in on what makes the Osmo Action 6 such a technological beast. The headline upgrade is the transition to a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive leap over its predecessor's 1.3-inch chip. That extra sensor real estate isn't just a number. It translates into richer highlights, deeper shadows, and significantly improved low-light performance. For creators, that means footage that approaches cinematic-level quality. Whether you're mountain biking through foggy dawn trails or plunging beneath turquoise ocean waves. The sensor reportedly supports 8K video at 30 FPS, opening doors for ultra-high-resolution storytelling. Alongside that, 4K slow motion at 120 FPS and 1080p at 240 FPS, delivering buttery smooth footage that can freeze time with stunning clarity. For athletes, adventurers, filmmakers, and vloggers alike, this is the kind of raw imaging power that turns everyday movement into breathtaking narratives. Stabilization, the soul of any action cam, is also getting a serious upgrade. DJI's rumored RockSteady Plus, or RockSteady 4.0 system, reportedly integrates AI-driven horizon leveling. Even when the camera tilts or rotates wildly during intense movement, the horizon stays locked, delivering ultra-stable, gimbal-like footage out of the box. Picture sprinting through uneven forest terrain or sledding down a snow slope while your camera spins and dips, and yet the final frame looks as though it was mounted on a tripod. That level of stabilization marks a major leap over the already impressive RockSteady 3.0 found in the Osmo Action 5 Pro. DJI clearly designed this for creators who can't or don't want to carry bulky gimbals or external stabilizers, enabling them to drop in, hit record, and focus purely on the moment. Under the hood, power and endurance get upgrades too. Leaks suggest battery capacities in the region of 1,170 mAh or 1,950 mAh, with alleged continuous 4K recording endurance of 4 hours or more, a standout figure in the action cam category. Enhanced thermal management is also expected, reducing overheating during heavy high-resolution sessions. Convenience steps up as well. Dual touch screens promise responsive control, while glove-friendly touch sensitivity ensures smooth operation even in freezing conditions or underwater with dive gear. The ruggedized body looks refined, waterproof down to 20 mm without a case, shock-resistant and hardened for extreme temperatures, perfect for everything from snowboarding to deep-sea exploration. Another standout feature that's generating serious buzz is Direct Smartwatch. Integration, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to work seamlessly with devices like the Apple Watch Series 9 and sports watches from Garmin. Imagine running, biking, or diving while your real-time stats, heart rate, speed, altitude, distance, overlay directly onto your footage, and you can easily start-stop recording or switch shot modes from your wrist, eliminating the need to fumble with the camera mid-action. For adventure creators, athlete vloggers, and travel storytellers, this integration could be a serious game changer. Pricing is another crucial piece of the puzzle. Reports suggest the standard Osmo Action 6 combo may land between US $329, $429, positioning it competitively against other flagship action cams. A premium adventure combo with extra batteries, mounts, and accessories could go for around US $479, $579. Given the massive sensor upgrade and advanced stabilization tech, this pricing looks aggressive, perhaps as part of DJI's push to drive volume before any US restrictions might take effect. But the drama around this launch goes far beyond specs. That regulatory sword of Damocles, the FCC-covered list, hovers over DJI like a storm cloud. Should the US government place DJI on that list, it would block sale of any DJI product with wireless components in the US market. And while DJI denies wrongdoing and continues to lead the action cam segment, geopolitical winds are shifting in real time. The scheduled FCC vote in late October 2025 is just days after the Action 6 is expected to hit the market. If the vote goes against DJI, this model might be the company's final major US launch under its own branding. DJI isn't blind to this. Security researchers have traced a complex web of shell companies allegedly used by DJI to funnel products into the US via alternate labels. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse between regulators and a tech giant determined to protect its market. If that regulatory door slams shut, the Action 6 might never receive future firmware updates, official accessory ecosystems, or full US support, transforming what looks like a routine action cam release into a pivotal turning point. For buyers, this may represent the last chance to own a DJI action camera with full native US support. For collectors, it could become a piece of tech history. For creators, it may be the ultimate adventure camera to close an era. To really understand why this camera is making so much noise, it helps to compare it with the current model, the Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Action 5 Pro arrived with a 1.3-inch sensor, still impressive 40 MP stills, 13.5 stops of dynamic range, 4K at 120 FPS, and DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. It was, and still is, a fantastic action camera beloved by many creators. But the Action 6 promises to take that foundation and crank every dial up. The jump to a full 1-inch sensor isn't a minor spec bump. It's a seismic shift in image quality, especially in low light and dynamic range terms. When you pair that with 8K capture, improved stabilization, and beefier battery life, the Action 5 Pro suddenly feels like yesterday's flagship. Stabilization also sees a leap. Whereas the Action 5 Pro's Horizon Steady was already very smooth, the rumored AI-enhanced RockSteady 4.0 with full 360-degree and horizon leveling in the Action 6 promises to rewrite what's possible in handheld action filming. Imagine hurtling downhill on a mountain bike while your camera tilts or spins, and yet the footage still looks like it was shot on a tripod. That is the level of ambition here. Battery life gets a credible upgrade too. While both models may rely on 1,150 mAh class batteries, improvements in efficiency and heat control in the Action 6 are expected to allow longer shooting times even at higher resolution modes. It's about squeezing more power out of the same form factor, and durability remains a core focus. Like its predecessor, the Action 6 is said to be waterproof to 20 mm without an external case, freeze-resistant, and built to endure rugged adventures, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic body shape, making helmet, bike, or drone mounting easier and more stable. For thrill seekers, that isn't just a design choice. It's a performance upgrade. So how should you position it? If you're an owner of the Action 5 Pro and your content focuses on casual recording or travel vlog, your current gear may still serve you well. It's a capable workhorse. But if you're a creator chasing the best image quality, want to future-proof your setup with 8K capability, demand the smoothest stabilization, and seek wearable tech integration for athletic or high-motion content, then the Action 6 is the obvious next step. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement.